Futures on the US stock indexes are growing on investors' bets on a stimulus bill. The US dollar is trading firmly at multi-year lows against 6 major currencies, including the Canadian dollar. Today, Bitcoin has spiked over the level of $93,000 for the first time ever. The benchmark US stock index is extending a rally in light of the news on the progress towards a massive US government spending bill and a relief package. The Dow Jones rose 0.35%, the Nasdaq climbed 0.44%, and the S&P 500 grew 0.47%. The rally of the US stocks comes from investors' optimism that the US economy will be propped up by generous financial aid. Investors still hope that the painstaking talks between Republicans and Democrats will end up with a massive stimulus package worth $900 billion. Market participants await a series of economic data which is due during the American session today. Analysts reckon that the number of housing starts in the United States stayed flat in November with the same reading of 1.53 million as in October. As usual on Thursdays, investors monitor weekly updates on initial unemployment claims. The median forecast suggests that the number of first-time jobless claims fell 53,000 to 800,000 last week. In the early European session today, the US dollar plummeted to multi-year lows against major currencies as hopes for more fiscal stimulus in the United States and the post-Brexit trade deal boosted appetite for risky assets. Traders rushed to sell their safe haven US dollar. Its index shed 0.5% today, breaking below 90 for the first time since March 2018. The index sank to 89.87. The USD CAD pair is now trading at 1.2704, having lost 0.29%. And today, traders are amazed with the Bitcoin rally. The number one cryptocurrency shot over 20% above the level of $23,000 per token. It has beaten a historic record 3 times in the latest 24 hours. Now, experts warn that the digital currency is going to stall its stunning rally and consolidate its gains. According to CoinMarketCap, computing an average Bitcoin price on the grounds of data from over 20 exchanges, Bitcoin spiked 20.88% today to the level of $23,435. At the moment of preparing material for this video, the most popular cryptocurrency was trading at about $23,118 per coin. Importantly, serious fundamentals summits investors' optimism. Fiscal stimulus measures will be provided to the crisis-stricken US economy in the near future. Besides, the US Fed confirmed its dovish monetary policy. In this context, the US dollar has a slim chance to escape from its trap. Meanwhile, investors show beyond demand for the euro, gold and cryptocurrencies. Analysts predicted that the US dollar could lose another 15% of its value in the nearest months. Experts at Citigroup present a more pessimistic forecast. They fear that the greenback is running a risk of falling 20% amid mass vaccination in 2021. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.